Hello everyone. Today we will work on project called temperature converter. So let's start. In this exercise, we will use all the concepts and the topics that we have already covered and implement here practically. So this project asks from the user enter temperature either in Celsius or in Fahrenheit, and then we will convert that temperature into another unit. So if we execute this code, it will ask from the user enter temperature. If the user has given 45, then computer will ask the temperature user has given, it is in Celsius or in Fahrenheit. So if user has entered, if it is in Celsius, when you press enter, computer will return temperature in Fahrenheit is 113. Let's execute this code one more time, and this time we have given temperature 13. Press enter, computer will ask the temperature is in Fahrenheit. So this code is not case sensitive. Either you can give in small letter or in capital letter. Both will work. Press enter and computer will return temperature in Celsius is 45 degrees. Let's write code for this project. Now let's take a variable temp in which we'll accept the temperature that is given by user. Temp is equals to float input enter temperature given space code is closed. Then asking in which unit user has given, so unit under variable is equals to input that other user has given Celsius or Fahrenheit, and we can colon here and close. Now let's check for the first condition that if the unit user has given, if it is equals to, so we are checking equality here, if it is equals to F, that is in Fahrenheit, then temperature in Celsius, that is C, equals to temperature minus 32, is the formula, and divide by 1.8, and we can print temperature in Celsius is C. Else, it means if user has not given temperature in Fahrenheit, if this condition is not true, and else part get executed, else Fahrenheit is equals to temperature asterisk 1.8 and plus 32 is the formula, and we can print temperature in Fahrenheit is comma F. Now this is the code for this project. We have accepted temperature from the user, and that value is converted into floating point. So either we can use float here or int to accept numerical values from the user. So if we write int, so only integer value will be accepted, but if we write float, so both will be accepted. Then unit, asking from the user that input C or F, so whether the user has given the value in Celsius or in Fahrenheit, the temperature is in Celsius or in Fahrenheit. Then we can check first condition that if the unit user has given it is in Fahrenheit, then we can convert it into Celsius. Celsius in temperature minus 32 divided by 1.8 is the formula for conversion, and simply we can print temperature in Celsius is the value that is stored inside C. Else, if this condition is not true, that means if user has not given temperature in Fahrenheit, that means we need to convert it into Fahrenheit in that case. So Fahrenheit is equals to temperature as to 1.8 plus 32 is the formula for conversion Celsius into Fahrenheit, and print temperature in Fahrenheit is the value that is stored in F. Now, as we know that Python is a case sensitive language, capital F is different from small f. So if user has given capital F or capital C, then it will work. But if we want to make not case sensitive, so in that case we need to write one function here, dot upper. So this function will convert the value, the character that is given by user in uppercase. So if it is already in uppercase, it will work perfectly. But if the user has given a small f, or the unit dot upper function will check that the unit user has given it is in Fahrenheit or in Celsius. So let's execute this code. If I press F5, computer will ask enter temperature. So I have given 45, press enter, it is in C or F. The temperature is in Celsius or in Fahrenheit. So let's have given Celsius here. If I press capital C, it will work. Let's say if I press enter, so temperature in Fahrenheit is 113. Let's execute this code one more time. Enter temperature 45. Now if I press small c, 45 degrees Celsius, again it will return temperature in Fahrenheit is 113. Why? Because we have used dot upper function in the program that will convert the character given by user in uppercase. We'll check that the degree of temperature is in Celsius or in Fahrenheit, and then conversion will be performed. Let's execute code one more time, and if I press F5, enter temperature. On this time I'm giving temperature in Fahrenheit 113, it is in Fahrenheit, so temperature in Celsius is 45. So this is a project program for temperature converter. So we are accepting input from the user, we are accepting the temperature from the user, and then we are asking that the temperature user is given, it is in Celsius or in Fahrenheit, and then we are converting it into another unit.